The University of Georgia collection of arthropods has about 2 million pinned insect specimens, and of those 2 million specimens, about 25,000 to 30,000 are butterflies and moths, which is the order Lepidoptera. Well, we are working on an NSF-funded project called LepNet, and LepNet is a museum specimen digitization project that takes little tidbits of biological information that's stored on little paper labels on butterfly moth specimens in particular here, and enters those into a large database that is hosted online that provides that information in a very accessible, very usable format for researchers to be able to access, and basically focuses on North American butterflies and moths and tries to get all that biological information assembled with the help of a whole bunch of student assistants who are doing the actual process of converting the physical labels over to a digital form.
So we're taking all the information that's attached to these specimens and we're entering them into the database. So we'll take the location on the map and also who collected it, when it was collected, and just all the information about what type of butterfly it is. This one was collected by, Omar Smith in 1970 in Fayette County, Tennessee.
At the very beginning, they could enter up to few people into nearly 4, and few who were familiar with our work were able to enter more than 10 a day. But now they could do anywhere around 50 a day for people who are faster, but for beginner it could be in the neighborhood of 20 per day.
Favorite part is getting to see all the butterflies and the diversity, and also just the information on each specimen. It's really neat to see where people collected them.
I love to see these people who have gone out to the same location, especially over the course of a decade. I have one collector, J.R. Maudsley, and I think I've tracked about like 50 to 60 of his, and so I know where he's gone and what years he's been there. So it's just kind of a interesting, not relationship, but like it's nice to think about what he's done over the years and where his career took him.
It doesn't feel like busy work at all to me, because I know that for an entomologist, if they wanted to study the natural history of a species, they would have to go to like numerous museums around the country, and this is just such a time saver for them.